The 16th of December 2014 was the day when sun rose delightfully but set the horizon with utter sadness. It's the day when extremists tried to snatch our beautiful future from us. On 16 December 2014, terrorists attacked on Army Public School in Peshawar. They entered in the school and opened fire on school staff and children. They killed about 145 people, including students, school teachers, and soldiers. Teachers and the principal were burned alive in front of the pupils. Most of the children who were targeted were shot in the head. The entire nation remembers the martyrs of APS and empathized with their families. We have not wasted the blood of martyrs as we salute them for their courage and braveness. We pray to Almighty Allah that may the world never have no witness a day like this again.